Hey, welcome back to the channel Hard to Set Info, and today I will show you how to write a message on X. Okay, so if you want to know how to actually write a message on X application, which could mean either a DM, that means private message, or a post, which is public message, I will cover both options. So let's start with the first one, with the DM. So open X application on your phone and you have to tap this letter icon in your bottom right corner of your screen. That's your messages section. Now you want to tap new message button, which is plus icon in the bottom right, and now search the person that you want to DM by typing their username here. And from the list that appears, you have to select specific person, which will redirect you to chat with this person. So in this text box, you want to write your message. And finally, when you are ready, tap send button, which is paper plane icon. And you see that the status of my message says sent. So let's go through the second option, how to write a post, in other words, public message. So open X home screen and tap the plus button in the bottom right corner of your screen, and a blank text box will open on your screen, and here you have to type your message. You can maximally enter up to 280 characters unless you have X Premium. So let me type something. Yes, and additionally, if you want to, you can add some photos or videos to your post. You can add some GIFs, you can add a poll. And finally, when you are ready, tap post button in the upper right corner of your screen to share it with the X community. And if you go to your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen and go to your profile, in the section with posts, you will see your message. So you can see 7 seconds ago. And additionally, if you want to edit it, you have to tap 3-dot button next to the post that you want to edit. And if you have X Premium, you can edit it. But if you don't have that premium subscription, then unfortunately you cannot edit it. You just have to delete it and rewrite it once again. And in order to delete your post, you have to select delete post button and confirm that you really want to delete it. So yes, that's basically it. That's how you can write a message on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.